Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and I want to tell you why I decided to get this PATIOX impact wrench, even though I already have an impact driver. One of the main reasons I got this set is having the versatility that comes with all of the accessories that come along with it. For me, this is really useful when we go on long road trips, so I don't feel like I have to bring a ton of tools with me, and yet I'll still have options along the way. The accessories that come with it make this impact wrench also usable as an impact driver or even a drill if necessary. Having these accessories gives you the option to use these in a variety of ways, because the best tool that you can have is the one that you have with you. If you don't already have an impact driver or a power drill, getting this impact wrench set will at least give you all the basic functions of having 3 tools by just buying one. I like that the battery shows you how much power you have left, because there's nothing worse than a battery dying unexpectedly on you. The tool itself is very compact, so you don't have to worry about getting into tight spaces. Having a light on a power drill or impact is a necessity these days. I'm glad that they let you change between high and low speeds, because there is such a thing as too much power. So whether you're getting a spare set of tools that's going to offer portability and versatility, or this is the first power tool that you're buying of its kind, I think this PATIOX 20-volt impact wrench set is a great addition to any tool set, and that's my point of view.